Drama as court declines hearing lawyer's case for wearing Juju attire to court. Welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. This is going to be very interesting. The lawyer appeared barefooted with cowries tied on his two legs. A court on Monday refused to hear the case of a human rights lawyer, Malcolm Omerebo, after he appeared in court wearing a native doctor's attire. Justice Tijani Renjim of a federal high court in Lagos asked him to defend in writing why he should be allowed to address the court in the attire. The lawyer also appeared barefooted with cowries tied on his two legs. His wig had two long feathers with cowries on his two hands and tied a red wrapper, while he wore his white lawyer's gown on it. The human rights lawyer who appeared before Justice Renjim was greeted with resistance by some lawyers who disagreed with his appearance before the court in such dressing, arguing that he could not be heard as he was not properly dressed as a lawyer before the court. Omerebo, who had on Thursday caused a stir at the Supreme Court in Abuja for appearing in court the same way, said it would be a violation of his right if he was not heard, noting that the rules could not be above the nation's constitution. He said, "My lord, the rules cannot supersede the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria." Upon his argument, Justice Renjim, however, directed Omerebo to address the court on why he should be heard the way he was dressed on the next adjourned date in a suit delineated to FHC LCS 929-2022. Chief Malcolm Omerebo sued the federal government of Nigeria and others. The same happened in the second suit match FHC LCS 1392-2021 against the Nigerian Army and two others before the same court. The court ordered that the address must not be more than 5 pages with the authorities and must be filed before the adjourned date. When his case was called, he announced his appearance as the applicant and some lawyers. Abdullahi Daniel Mohammed Adamu and one Festus Afeyodun told the court he should not be heard as he was not properly robed. Daniel said, "I'm a lawyer, my lord. Can imagine the way my learned friends appear before the court as a professional. The rules that govern us as lawyers do not allow improper dressing." Adamu told the court that he would like to furnish the court with his written submission in line with the direction of the court. The judge said, "You cannot address the court like this as a professional. I will adjourn your matter if you come out and address the court if the rules allow you to appear at the court like this." Consequently, the judge adjourned to October 10th, 2022. Hey! This matter is the torturing me because at the end of the day, we will not see na shadows. Shadows na they chase for this country. Nigeria is in flames and some people are busy using the energy and time where we go use quench the fire. They use and they discuss about person dog. How can your house be on fire? The only house where you get for this world, you no get another one elsewhere. No be say money there where we say you go use buy another one. You can't leave that one where they burn. You leave your properties inside. Things where we say go help you for your next level of life, or it go even make you go recover yourself. You abandon the house, make it burn. You can't discuss about your neighbor dog we burn. Are you fine? You're not okay. Now, recently it was signed into law. I don't know if it was signed into law or they said, that Lagos Muslim students in Lagos should now attend school wearing their hijabs. Meaning, even if then they go Catholic school, even if they go mission school where we say they get their own rules before, they don't strike that rule out. So they feel dress, they feel wear their it's not jalamia, they feel wear their hijab go. I don't have a problem with Muslims attending Muslim school, dressing anyway. It's like they wear the one that's they're not even they see their face. It's none of anybody's business. I am of the opinion that before you as a person, whether you are a parent, whether you as a young person, whether you as a young adult, let's say for instance now, I have people who work in Muslims. Let me use this scenario. I have people who work in Muslim organization, Christians, and auntie, they will tell you, say, you know, go dress anyhow. You know this there. You know this period. People dress. You know, people are free to their places of work. It depends on the people who form that places. Oh, people, they allow people to dress the way they want. You understand? You if you like, you color your hair. For those Muslim organizations, you know, go down. In fact, if they give you their contract, you there go sign and say you agree. Now imagine say you don't sign that contract. Can't come outside after, can't say, better go say, you know they dress the way they say make you the dress. So you want to color your hair. Say Nigerian Constitution give you the right to dress anyhow we like. So you want color your hair, or you know they free with the way they say make you tie your hair, they cover her, or you know, a lot of things. If you come outside, can't talk, I go they look you like, are you sure you are sound? When you collect this work, then tell you, do you see how it sounds? Rules were there already. And I want to believe that if you attended primary school, forget that ABC when they teach us and that quantitative and verbal reasoning when they teach us. So, I believe the primary objective of us attending primary or secondary schools now so that you go fit, you know, obey instructions. You'll be disciplined enough when they say do this. Cut your nails that time. Others cut your nails, you know. Cut your nails, wear socks too. All those things are just act of discipline will go help us through life. I believe now waiting make person good at. So imagine do you now see? Now the courts are now said, okay, hijab people, the man is now saying, okay, everybody I be for constitution, they say you can wear, you can dress, I be anyhow. Now you can dress, you know, anyhow. Now the can say, okay, the man can say, okay, he is a traditionalist. He will keep dressing the way his religion, as in to represent his religion. Since they want to bring, and so this man useful, they'll tell and say, Shebi want the maths for this country. Make each and every, all of us, make we come to go Colossus. That is the genesis of what is going on. That is the genesis. And he said he will continue every day. He will continue. The man really mean that. Okay. Okay, the judge has no right to say he cannot hear his case. The Supreme Court has sent a precedent, and it therefore means we have the right to wear what I want based on my... That is what they said. You cannot contradict yourself at all. That is how madness started. No court will listen to him. Are you serious? Madness started from the Supreme Court's judgment. Every religion has the right to wear whatever seems deemed to fit their religion code of dressing. Thank you. His hijab, not Muslim code of dressing, and they have the right to wear it. So do others. Expect witches and wizard codes of dressing that with the cows bring judgment. This was with Misha. Everybody want go Colossus. Let's all do it. On this note, we've come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.